Hi everyone, my name's Lorenza and I wanted to talk to you about my new scissors. Now they're called Kai and they're from the 7000 series. So these ones are 7 to 50. Look, there's a lot of different range, but all the 7000 series I think are pretty amazing. So they're stainless steel, they're super light compared to my old scissors. So I'm used to using these Silver Phoenix, but they don't exist anymore. So I've moved on to using these Kai. So like I said, they're Japanese stainless steel. They took me a little bit getting used to with how much lighter they are, but I just wanted to show you how amazing they are because I've never come across scissors like this. So this is just some calico, and I think what is so amazing about them when I started having a bit of a play around with them was, yes, they're great for just cutting, but you can literally just glide through fabric with them. Now, I don't think I've ever had a pair of scissors that did that, and they just cut through it with just ease. Like, that's calico, so that's pretty incredible. And I'll just show you as well with some polyester, my beautiful flower fabric, but this is a polyester taffeta, and again, I'll show you, they literally just glide through the fabric. Now, what I will also do is show you some jersey knit, because then I started thinking, well, what else can these cut? So we'll do 2 layers. Let's just fold it again. So that's 4 layers. It's just kind of effortless. It just cuts straight through. And I can even go, let's go a bit more with that. I don't know, 2, 4, 6, let's try 8. Is that 8? I don't know, it's a lot. But yeah, they just cut straight through. Incredible. Now, they're not just good for cutting through tons of fabric, they're just great for cutting. I've just got some interfacing here I needed to cut out. So they're just very smooth. As you're cutting, it feels like butter. It feels very different compared to my heavier scissors. But the blades on these are just insane. Really good for curves as well. You'll see I'm kind of cutting, I don't feel like I cut big long cuts with these scissors. I'm hoping as I get a bit better with them, I'll probably feel a bit more confident. So I tend to cut smaller cuts with them, but they're still pretty amazing. I will get better with these. But yeah, so I want to talk about these Kai scissors. So I've partnered with Bladeology. Now that's a small business in Western Australia. So if you buy them through their website, I'll put all the details into the caption, but if you buy them through their website, Bladeology, and put in Lorenza 5 at checkout, you will get 5% off. So highly recommend these Kai scissors. This Japanese brand, and like I said, I just can't get over how smooth and how amazing they are. So these will probably be the only scissors I'll be using from now on. So just wanted to share that with you all. Thanks, bye.